Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon. How are you doing?
Yeah, I am buzzing with positive vibe. Thank you for asking. How about you?
Yeah, I am on cloud nine. Thank you so much for asking. And it is rainy day. Weather is very cloud in West Bengal. So, okay, before starting, I think we should introduce ourselves. Is it?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
So, start from your side, please.
Okay. So my name is Kirti. Basically, I hail from Bihar, but currently I live in Bangalore. I am a proud homemaker as well as a mother of one child. Apart from this, I have done my bachelor in commerce, and this year I have enrolled myself in MBA. Apart from this, I have a plethora of hobbies. I have a easy feed. I love to travel, and I am a bibliophile person. I love to reading book also, and moreover, means I have created my channel for enhancing my communication skill. So my channel name is Learn English with Kirti. So it's about me. Thank you.
Wow.
So can you introduce yourself little
Sure,
bit?
sure. Yeah, love to hear you. So, my name is Tripti. I'm from Kolkata, West Bengal, and I'm working professional. And I think it's 1.5 years I'm trying to improve my communication skills. That's little bit about me. Thank you so much.
So you
Okay,
are
so
saying you are in a working professional. So where are you working?
actually, I'm a professional makeup artist. So, and
Okay.
simultaneously, yeah, freelance makeup artist. I do makeup everywhere, like a film, serial, fashion show, bridal party, everything. And simultaneously, I have salon business as well. So girls are working there. Yes, this is my field. Yeah.
Okay. So it's amazing actually, because you are a makeup artist, right?
Yeah, I make beautiful people always. I love to do it. My passion and profession are same. So yes, I feel happy. I never feel monotonous with my work because whatever I learn to, I love to do. I am earning from it. So it is. That is why I considering myself. I say, yeah, I'm a lucky person. There are so many people. They are working professional, like they are working in bank, but they love photography. So this is very painful as well, is it?
Yes.
Yeah. So can you
Yeah. It's
share your English learning journey, why you are learning, when and how you started it? Can you share with audience and to me as well?
Yeah, definitely. Actually, means 6 months ago, I have started my learning journey seriously. Actually, earlier I was learning on and off, but 6 months ago, I have taken a plan. No, I have to enhance my communication skill because earlier I had joined in a school, so there I have seen myself. I was not able to articulate my thoughts, and I afraid to connect with parents also. Earlier, I have joined in a school as a teacher. So
Okay.
there means I have realized myself. No, I have to work on. I have work on my communication skill because as a teacher, it is a necessary because I am serving to kids. So that is the reason I am enhancing my communication skill. And yeah, I have joined WhatsApp community. There I have connected with co-learners and every day, and I from six till 6 months I am consistent about that. So definitely I have seen myself little by little. I am growing also, and I am learning also.
Good, good, good. I'm also, I think we are on same page. Like I have started actually during lockdown, sorry. That's time, my business was totally closed. I was totally, complete in a, black hole. I never thought my business will resume. And I left everything and I thought, what should I do? What should I then started? I started, to enhance my communication skill. But after few days, when everything becoming good, slowly, I started again my business, and I totally focused on it, and I left this type, about English journey. And before only, um, I think 1.5 years, I was scrolling mobile, and somewhere I have watched, like, this type of conversation. I thought, oh my God, this is a very good technique to learn English. So then I started again. And, since then I am learning, I am trying. I am also improving very slowly, but I think, I switched very easily beginner to intermediate, but somehow intermediate, after coming intermediate, I stuck totally. I'm not improving at all. I'm trying, but I'm not getting the right time, right word, right idioms, and I'm stumbling a lot. So what do you
I am
think
in
that?
also I am in also in a same boat, because I am also sometimes I struggle a lot in that thing also.
Yes, yes. That is happening, I think, every intermediate level. After intermediate
Yes,
level, yeah, we are facing the same, we are struggling with same problem. Everyone like that. It's
yes,
really very difficult to go, upper intermediate level or advanced level. It's really very difficult. We have to study more, we have to focus more, and we have to, I think, apart from audio call, it's le- very necessary to connect with video call, because
yes.
that, yeah, you I think you also will agree with me that the video call, we are, feel less confidence, but audio call we are more confident about when we are calling with audio call, isn't it? We are more
Yeah,
comfortable.
yeah, because that time we feel nobody is watching you, right? That is the reason we are feeling comfortable in audio call. But when we have to connect on video call, so that time we become a little bit nervous, and we
Yes,
afraid about the judging of the means people. So that is the reason. Yeah,
yes, we
because
are connecting.
earlier I was also means doing same thing. Mean I was comfortable in audio call, but not on video call. So I thought no, because I am living in Bangalore. So here I have to connect with people with in real scenario. So that is the most challenging part for me. Means I thought no. Anyhow, I have to work on video call, because it give us confidence, and we can connect with people very easily, because after gaining confidence we should try to connect with people, right?
Right, right. Yeah, and I was very shy person to face the camera. I had courage, but only audio call, but not video call. So, after a certain time, I thought, no, enough is enough. I convinced myself a lot. Let's go, Tripti. You can do it, like that. And
Yes,
forcefully, I pushed myself into camera. So, yeah, now I am feeling little bit at least confident. I think it will be more difficult when we will going to connect the real conversation, like at shopping mall, in the road. I think it
yes,
is more challenging. It will be more challenging for video.
yes.
Video callers. Video call is still okay. Video call is tough than
But
audio call,
yes,
but real conversation also tough than video call as well, I think.
yes, it is a true actually. When we go in the real scenario, so that situation become harder to us, because that time we feel nervous and butterflies in my our stomach also. So it is a
Right.
quite difficult.
Yes, right, right. Still, and it's still we can understand everything, but still, we start to sweating, and heart is beating fast. Is happening every time. I don't know. After how many days we can overcome this type of problem. Okay, you told me that you are you love to travel. So how
Yes.
many places you traveled so far?
I have traveled a lot, means because after marriage I travel means every year. So I am living in Bangalore. So most of the southern area I have traveled, and earlier I was in Noida. So that time I travel in northern India also, like Manali and
Okay.
whatever nearby places I mostly travel, like Mathura, Vrindavan. So,
Oh, great.
but I have to travel northeast also because it is in my bucket list.
Oh, okay. Have you ever been to Kolkata?
Yes, yes. 6 months ago, I have
Yeah.
been there because of marriage.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So you have joined somewhere for marriage occasion.
yes.
Yes. So
But
how
I didn't get chance to visit any
is it
places.
anywhere? Okay, there are so many.
Yes,
Okay, just you came here, you joined, you enjoy, and you come back again.
yes,
Yeah. Okay. Good, good, good. So I have also, bucket list to visit Vrindavan, Mathura as well. So I have heard about it. And Kulu Manali, this is also beautiful place. Like Ooty. Ooty. Have you ever been Ooty?
yes.
Ooty also I have heard
Yeah,
about
yeah.
it.
3, 4 times
And
because it
Kashmir.
is, yeah,
Yeah.
it is nearby to Bangalore. So 2, 3 times I travel.
Okay. Ooty. Is a shooting
Yes.
place. I heard about is a shooting place is a very beautiful place.
Yeah,
Shooting
means
spot.
I will. Yeah, yeah, because that place is called for Queen of Mountains.
Oh.
So yeah, so
Queen of
and weather
I
is
I
very
heard about
pleasant.
Darjeeling is Queen of Mountain. Darjeeling
I
is
think
it? Darjeeling?
I never know, but I thought ki means people said the Uti is a queen of mountains because there
Yeah.
are lots of mountains available.
But Darjeeling also very good place. This is I heard
Yeah,
Darjeeling is Queen.
I yeah,
Yeah.
I never get a chance because from Bangalore it is a very far. But in my native place it is a nearby. Actually, when I live in,
Mm.
I will live in Bihar, so definitely it is a very near to go, and it is easy to means to go there because from Bangalore to Darjeeling it is a very challenging for us, and that flight charges
Darjeeling
are
is
also high.
West Bengal itself. Darjeeling is West
Yes,
Bengal.
yes,
Yeah.
West Bengal, yes. So you have traveled?
Darjeeling, yes, yes. Darjeeling is very
Yeah.
beautiful place. It's really beautiful. And Kanchenjunga and all so many beautiful places, for you can watch everywhere is really fantastic and cloud and all. If you
Yes.
can see like I can touch the cloud in my hand like that. Yes, it's very very nice. Okay, so I am going to another section now. You told me that you have joined somewhere for for improve your communication skills. Like, was it a school or any type of institution or any type? What is it exactly?
When I got married, so that time I joined in offline classes. So it
Okay.
never helped me because I didn't get chance to speak because they always taught us only for grammar. They never
Okay.
taught.
Yes, I heard about
Yeah.
every institution. They are focusing only on grammar, but I
Yes.
think I did okay. But, tell me what you think about grammar and all. Grammar first or fluency first? We should start with grammar. We should start with basic grammar. What?
Means if you know the basic grammar, so definitely you have to work on your first of all fluency. After that, you have to work on the grammar also because it is a crucial part of learning English actually.
Yeah, you have to know at least how to make sentence.
Yes,
Structure of, yeah, this is also very very necessary. But there are
because
so many people.
Yeah, because if we get fluency, so then we have to work on the accuracy because
Mhm.
that is the important.
Yes, but when without grammar, when we start any type of sentence, so I don't know what, but grammar also is there
Yes,
unknowingly. Grammar also, without
yes, yes,
grammar, you just say that how can we make a sentence? But it's doing unknowingly, but grammar is also there. I don't know, or
yes,
whether I don't know or not. Doesn't matter at all. But after getting fluency, if we work on grammar little bit, so our English will
yes,
be enhanced more, I think. Is it?
yes,
Is it? Oh,
yes,
yeah, yeah. So focusing first fluency, then after grammar. Wait.
yes,
The
yes.
the way we learned our mother tongue actually. Without grammar, we learned how, isn't it?
Sorry,
Yes.
I didn't understand.
Okay, so the way we learnt our mother tongue without grammar, we
Yes,
learnt our mother tongue, isn't it? Yes,
yes,
that time
yes,
when we were kid like that, that times we didn't think about grammar. We just listen
yes.
and speak. We used to listen
Speak,
and speak.
yes,
The way we learnt it. Yes, yes, yes.
yes.
So I have, apart from this thing, I've been traveling. Uh, what is your another hobby you love to do? What do you do actually your
The
leisure time?
in leisure time I try,
You
but
see, every
because
leisure time is
nowadays,
very difficult to go outside for traveling or what. So you
yes,
you need
yes,
something that you can do instantly like that. I'm not getting anything. So less. I get only 10 minutes, I 15 minutes, only half an hour. So apart from English practicing, I'm telling you those apart from English, what do you do basically with 10 minutes for 15
yeah,
minutes?
yeah. In my leisure time, because nowadays actually I am learning this language, so whenever I get time, so I try to read book. Otherwise, I love to drawing actually.
Drawing?
So
Really, this is
yes,
my drawing is my jam. So can I after wrap up the conversation, go my status. Just that line is there is here. This is drawing is my jam. I love to do always drawing, and this is
yeah,
especially for
because
some. Yeah. Okay, go ahead, ma'am. Go.
yeah, yeah, ma'am. Because means I thought means I have a time, so why not I have to sketch anything that give me a
Okay,
happiness
just take.
actually.
Okay. So how type of drawing usually you do? Let me know, please. I am also very interested about drawing, so that is why. How type
I
of drawing?
I have done like means I have to open YouTube and I try to make something like how to say that means any pictures like women's pictures and that kind of yeah any yeah nature pictures. So that kind of drawing I am doing.
Okay. I mean, you try to copy
See,
the picture.
yes, yes.
Okay. So you are not drawing with your imagination, is it? Just
Actually,
use.
I didn't learn. Just I don't know. I this is my hobby. I like means whenever I have to draw anything, so I feel happy. So that
Oh,
is the
that is
reason I
okay.
draw.
Okay. So you for drawing something, you have to see something in front of you.
Yes.
That
Then
is
I have
easier
to.
to you. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
But my
So
drawing is. Yeah. Tell me.
you also in fond of drawing. So
Yes.
how do you draw?
Yeah, so that is also beautiful question. So you told me that you never learned it. Okay, I am also on same page. Like instead of that, my father used to beat me a lot when I was kids. Because my other siblings they were very good in study. Their academic qualification is good, but I am always used to like homework copy and where I used to drawing always. I never learned it. I didn't take any type of professional. This is my habit. It was inside me, I think, from my childhood. And I do whatever. I started something and finally it's become something. If you tell me that okay, Tripti, copy this drawing again, I can't do even. I will create another one like that.
Oh,
Yes, I draw some anything like, oh my God, your video. Yes.
yes.
Okay. Are you connected with mobile or laptop?
Yeah, no, actually, my laptop is not working, so I am connecting with mobile.
Okay, that is why it's happening again and again.
Yeah, because call is coming, so I cut the
Okay,
call,
that
so
is
it's
right.
happened.
Okay, that is right.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me finish the when I get time, any type of anything like I wake up and all, it especially, I didn't no, before lockdown. When lockdown came here, that time I thought, okay, what should I do? What should I then? I started, okay, I am a makeup artist, so I can make people beautiful. Okay, suppose if I think that my arm is someone face like that, I start to draw my arm and start, oh my God, what I want to see, so I can draw it easily. And repeatedly again and again to do, and now I can draw anything like that, whatever I can see. Only few years before, I didn't know that I have that type of talent as well. I can draw anything, like, now teary eye is very, uh, I love to do this sort, like someone is
Same
become
thing,
sometimes, so yeah.
same thing I have also tried to draw. When means I open the YouTube and I have to draw.
Okay, okay, good, good, good. I mean, you have also that
I
type of talent inside you. If you practice again and again, more and more, say it will become, very good, very good, I think. Continuous. See,
I
everything
think
depends on practice. Everything.
yeah,
Whatever
yes.
it is, even our, say, English journey, before maybe few years, you even can't think about that I can speak in English, I can convey my thought, and can I people make you understand, people also understand me. It is also sometimes when I think about it, I feel surprised. Oh my God, I am connecting with people and speaking with English is very good thing. So I feel proud sometimes myself. Yeah. This is so see, now there are so many people, they used to pull in my leg that they say, what will you do with English, these and there are so many, and they are commenting and always throw into negative comment to me. Now the same person, they are telling that, okay, how did you do, Tripti? You are very consistent now, you are focusing, yeah, you have courage. I'm saying, yes, I have courage to do wrong, I have courage to say wrong. That is why this is need. This is also very necessary to, yeah, you need courage to speak wrong sentence.
Yes.
That is very necessary. Yeah. Okay, tell me,
Because
ma'am. You are
making mistake is a part and parcel of life because
yeah,
we have
yeah.
to learn from them actually.
Right. Right. Still, I am doing so many mistakes and using so many failure words, like, like there are so many things. So, but I am
That's
not
what
bothering
I am
about.
also doing.
I am not bothering. Still, I can doing that things. That is also good. I can say now I am opening my laptop or mobile. I'm connected. See, you are from somewhere. I'm from somewhere. We never know each other. But see how beautiful it is. Only for English only we are meeting here now.
Yes,
So this is also very very good thing. We should appreciate it and we should support it as well.
yes,
So that is why I mean, like, yeah. So let's subscribe. Maybe people are public are not interested to watch our. So we, no matter what, we can bother, we will subscribe with each other. We will follow each other.
yes.
We will also go.
Yeah, because in that way we are learning, right? If
Yes,
we afraid to speak, so how can we learn that?
right, right, right. That is why courage is everything. No matter grammar,
Yes,
fluency, these, that, so many things are there, reading, writing. But at the end of the day, I think courage is everything. You have to gather courage.
yes.
Okay. No matter what. Let's see. जो होगा देखा जाएगा. That's it. Chalo,
Yeah,
jump
that
into it.
spirit always keep in
Yeah,
inside.
yeah. Just jump into it. No matter
Yes.
what. Yes, that is the case. Yeah. Okay, I think I don't know how many times we are talking. I don't know. Okay, so let me know about, we can discuss about our how type of food you love to have. Tell me.
Yeah,
Are you
actually, I like
love to have outside food, inside food? Do you have to prepare yourself?
actually I eat both actually. When on weekend I go to outside and I have outside, but on weekdays I try to make at home, and
Okay.
that food I have to eat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean,
So I think you are from Kolkata. Kolkata people loves to eat, right?
yes, love to work, but I am totally, totally different than, any other because I am totally vegetarian. But people are going, oh my God, Bengali means, always fish and,
Yes,
yes,
fish.
but yeah,
Yes.
but I am vegetarian only. I have only veg. Yes, yes. But you see, here is it is. I don't love to eat outside food because it is not good for health. It is also it is and I unhygienic also. Especially in the monsoon time, it's very rainy season.
Yeah,
Everywhere
monsoon
it's
time it is
like
not good. Yes.
yeah, it's very really very bad. It's really very bad. This is beneficial. Do you do yoga, meditation, anything in your to maintain your health and all? Do you do anything?
Yes, yes. Daily. I have do daily actually yoga.
Wow.
And I go for walk also at least 1 hour.
Every day.
Yes.
Wow, great. So you
Because I drop my daughter and I go for walk.
okay
Because
that time.
that time I get time. So I thought, why not I have to utilize my time for myself,
Yes, yes. Actually we don't get time. We have to create a time for ourselves everywhere, like even
yes,
English and all, and yeah,
yes.
so take care of your health and yeah, everything. Very, very
As
good
a
habit.
woman, as a woman, we forget to take care ourselves because we always take care our family, kids, right?
Everywhere is like scenarios like that. People, so before few days, I talked with a person. She's basically from Bihar, but she's living in I think abroad somewhere. But why you are learning English? I asked her. I asked the question, why are you? She said, okay, I am a homemaker and, I'm feeling bored. And then my husband gave me permission to learn English. So I said, oh my God, as a ladies, you're telling me, do you need permission to learn something from your husband? What is it? You are not doing anything wrong at least. So if you are telling that
Yes,
like that, so a woman means what? Ladies are what that you need to get permission for learning something. I'm getting I have objection with this word permission. And if you tell that okay, so I discuss with my husband that okay, what should I do? Let's do something productive, and then we together decided that okay, go for spoken English. It's also okay, but okay, he gave me permission, and then that is why I am learning. This is also very well.
no. So in that way, we are not learning. Just we are forcefully we are learning, right? Because that is not our choice,
Yes, yes,
right?
yes.
If you are learning this language by yourself, means you have a eager to learn this language, so why we need any permission, and I learn this language or not,
I think
right?
yes, yes, yes. No, I think somewhere, some husbands, I'm not telling about everyone, some husbands feel insecure to it because they are going to connect with the board and this and that. So many things. I
Yeah,
think you can understand
it's
what I'm going
happened.
to. Yeah,
Still is yeah, still
yeah.
it happened.
Yes, yes, right. So that is why they are feeling insecure. They can see if someone wants to do anything wrong, he or she will do anywhere, anyhow, no matter what. So
Yes.
yeah, learning English or connecting with these, there are so many social media there. Even that time when social media was not there, so that time also, crime used to happen, isn't it? That time also everything
Yes.
was there, but we don't know, because of social. Now we can get everything because of social media. I think our time is over now. See how beautiful without any topic. So time
Yes.
time almost over. Yeah, we have to wrap up the conversation. Anyways, this is
Yes,
really
ma'am.
lovely conversation with you. Yes, his face is
Yeah,
also
I
beautiful.
am.
I was looking continuously about your face because I'm from that section. So my eyes always stuck with what is beautiful something. So yeah.
Okay, thank you for your kind word. Actually, I have also enjoyed. I means I didn't feel means I am connecting for a stranger people.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, now we have to do it. But as we more connect with people, we can learn more. We will be fluent more.
Yes,
Okay. Thank
and
you.
because if we connect with other people, so we learn from them also.
Yes, yes, yes. This is also, that is why we are connecting with each other. The way, the supporting and everything like, okay, take care, have a nice
Okay,
day.
bye bye.
Great,
Yeah,
bye bye.
thank you, ma'am.
Yeah,
Same
it's a
here.
great conversation.
Bye.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.